Welcome to the RCC Library. This video tutorial will take a look at Google, Wikipedia, and library databases and examine their differences. Google. While Google may seem like the obvious starting point for researching a topic, it is not the best tool for locating academic sources. When you search Google, you are searching the entirety of the internet, and the results are filtered based on things like your location, your search history, and other personal data collected by Google. This is called a filter bubble. What this means is that the results you get from searching Google may be different from the results someone else gets by using the same search terms. Furthermore, Google is pulling from what is known as the open web. The information most readily available may not be the most credible or relevant information out there. Wikipedia. You may have heard that you should avoid using Wikipedia for academic research. This is only partly true. Wikipedia contains entries which have been edited by many people over the years, and the articles continue to evolve, making them somewhat unreliable. While you should never cite Wikipedia directly, it can serve as a springboard to finding better resources. At the bottom of each entry, you will find a list of references cited throughout the article, as well as hyperlinks to related topics. This can be a fantastic way to either narrow or broaden your research topic and gather keywords that will be helpful later on. Using the list of references at the bottom of this Wikipedia article on the avant-garde movement, I can look to see which sources might have come from an academic publication. For instance, the fifth reference here lists the University of Toronto Press as the publisher. This link takes us to a book available through the Internet Archive. You should always check to make sure the links are good. And remember, just because a reference has a citation does not mean it is a scholarly source. You can check to see if materials referenced are available through the RCC library, and if you have any questions, ask a librarian. Now, let's take a look at what's available through the library. Library databases are designed specifically for conducting academic research, and unlike Google, do not track your search history. These materials provided by these databases contain scholarly works that are written by subject experts and have been vetted through the peer review process. The RCC library subscribes to over 100 databases, each covering a specialized subject area, so you can be sure to find the resources you need for your research. Another great tool provided through the library are the subject-specific research guides found on the library homepage. These guides provide links to relevant databases, books, and reliable resources from the open web. Finally, one of the best resources available to you for free is a research consultation with a librarian. If you need assistance or are not sure where to begin, send us an email. We would love to help.